Welcome back, Cat Babs, to another tutorial here on Cat's Creations. I decided to do a neon look. I'm kind of on a neon kick. I am so sorry. But if you'd like to see how to achieve this look, just keep watching. Welcome back, Cat Babes. So the first step that we're going to go ahead and do today is we're going to apply concealer to our eyelids. This is the ColourPop concealer in the shade Light 10. Then going in with a wet beauty blender, you just want to go ahead and push that concealer into the skin. That way you have a good base for the eyeshadow that we will be applying. And then going in with the Wet n Wild translucent setting powder, you just want to go ahead and set that concealer. Then going in with the NYX Eyeshadow Base primer in white, you just want to go ahead and make a cat eye outline so that you have a outline base for the colors that we are going to be applying. Then going in with the Ruby May Cosmetics Neon Pigments, we are going to be going in with the neon orange shade. You want to go ahead and use a Morphe brush. This is like their little dense packing brush. And you want to start to make like a cat eye eyeliner mark from the inner corner of your eye to the outer corner, but also making that cat eye shape as you're doing it. So this step does take a while, so have a little bit of a patience to do it, because it did take me about, I'm going to say about an hour and a half to do this eye look with all the makeup and everything. So just have some patience. But with this look also, you want to keep applying over the top of that eyeshadow. So basically what I'm doing here is I made the outline and then I went back in to make sure that it was vibrant all the way across and not just like patchy. You don't want it to be patchy. And then going in with the neon pink pigment, oh my lord, just go ahead and follow that same outline that we've already made so that you have a distinct line between the pink and the orange. Then going in with the pigment purple, it's like the neon purple shade, you just want to go ahead and take a big fluffy brush and go ahead and blend that upwards, basically so it has like a gradual like horizon effect where it gets lighter. That way it's not so harsh up against the orange. You still want it to stand out, but you don't want it to be the main focus of the eye. You want the orange to be the main focus. And then just add the rest of the pink to the eyelid. And then going in with the same eyeshadow base primer, you just want to start making outlines on the orange and the pink and the purple so that you can make the orange, purple, and pink even brighter than what it is in the middle of each color. Then going back in with the neon orange shade, just go ahead and put that right back over the top of the white eyeshadow base primer. And then you'll notice that it starts to pop out more because we added more white to the eyeshadow. And guys, this entire look I'm using the same exact brush. The only thing is when I'm done using it per each color, I wipe the brush off on a wet towel and then dry the brush. Then going back into that same eyeshadow primer, just go ahead and draw an outline for the purple shade. And then just very carefully go over the white with the purple and try not to mix the orange and the purple together. Then going in with the Ruby May Cosmetics glitter palette, go ahead and pick up the very first shade in the top left hand corner. It should be the white sparkly shade. You just want to go ahead and put that right in the middle of the pink, just to make it pop. Then going in with the NYX liquid white eyeliner, just go ahead and start to outline the orange shade, and be very, very, very careful with this step because it is a very, very complicated step. So please be patient and very, very careful. Then going in to do my face, we're going in with the Milani foundation in the color 02. Using the same beauty blender, just go ahead and pat that into the skin. And I don't even know why I'm showing you guys this because the steps never really change, but I've cut it out of the last couple of videos, so I thought, why not? Using the same concealer, go ahead and beat that into your face, man. Beat it in there. Make it look beautiful. It's like you're slapping beautiful onto your face. And using the translucent setting powder by Wet n Wild, just go ahead and pat that into the skin. Then using the Revlon setting powder in the color Sandstorm, go ahead and set the rest of your face. And then go ahead and brush away that setting powder. And then we're going to go in with the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. And we're going to go ahead and like bronze our face. And then we're going to go in with the contour palette by Wet n Wild. And we're going to, it's in the shade Dulce de Leche. We're just going to use that contouring brown shade to make it look even more fierce. And then going into the Essence blush called 10 Heat Wave, just go ahead and plop that on the high points of your face. And then going in with that same translucent powder, go ahead and carve out your contour. And then let it sit there until you're done doing your under eye. Your under eye just consists of the orange, pink, and purple. Just using the extra that was left over on the brushes, and be very, very careful not to get any fallout because it will get on your face and then you got to figure out how to get it off. I'm just going to lay that out there. And then going in with the Soph X highlighting palette, go ahead and add that to your face and make it look poppin'. Yes, I love my highlight and I'm going to continue to use it. Like a lot, as you can see. And then going in with the NYX liquid orange lipstick, just go ahead and add that. I did put purple in it, but I didn't like it, so as you can see, when it gets to the end, I change it. That is because I thought it looked terrible, so don't do it.
Babes is the final look using the Ruby May neon pigments. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I thought it was kind of fun. I'm like on this neon kick. I'm so sorry I'm using the same stuff in the last couple of videos, but like I said, I'm on a neon kick and this stuff is very, very bright. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And I'm not sure if I'm liking the lip combo, so let me just make it orange. Yeah, that's better. Super better. Alright, so final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And if you like stuff like this, give me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Hit the little notification bell so it'll let you know every time that I upload onto my lovely channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys!